Imagine a big elephant. Can you stop that elephant? Can we control? Yes, it is possible to control the big elephant by training its mind. So in India, so many areas and in temples, they are trained. There are so many trained elephants are there, and also in circus we have seen that so many elephants are trained and they will listen to the human being communications and they will do whatever we tell to do them those animals, and we can create an system of belief to the animals. Okay, when the elephant is small, if you tie a rope or else a chain to its leg, after growing an adult elephant, it will think that I cannot break that chain and go out, because they have installed the belief that when we tie a chain when it is a young or a kid elephant, at that time it will it develops the feeling of what I cannot break this chain. So it carries the same belief afterward when it become an adult elephant. In the same way, we all human beings develop such kind of negative and limiting belief, so it always hinders and stops our growth. We need to check all our beliefs every day and we need to update our beliefs just like in the softwares we update in our mobile phone. Most of the times the repeated negative beliefs our stops our growth entirely and we cannot able to do anything and good things, and we cannot accept challenges so easily. So most of the times it is happened with me and I am realized now that we should not carry the small chains with our mind, and we always need to check whether which kind of belief system I am holding. The right mindset, the right intention, and the right direction with having a goal, we can reach our destination. Without these things, we will always uh, land up with the problems. So being landing in the problem is not a problem, but if we start looking only towards problem and not looking towards the solution, will makes a difference with our personality. So whenever you get a problem, you, instead of looking towards the problem, you just look into the solution, then we can solve that solution and we can get more happy and prosperous life. This is Dr. Vikram Patil. We will meet again. Until that, stay connected. Thank you very much.